हम पिछले सत्र शरदवाली सत्र 2000 के चैंपियन स्क्वाड्रन चैंपियन बैनर अकादमी को वापस करेंगे। बैनर सौंपने के बाद डेब्यू स्क्वाड्रन की स्क्वाड्रन के कैप्टन अभिनव सिंह अपने प्लेटून में पुनः शामिल होंगे।
तोशीफ प्राप्त करता
I now have the privilege to announce the award of medals and the Indian Squadron Championship banner for spring term 2024. Trainees of the Balsingham Indian Naval Academy course and Naval Orientation courses are awarded medals to recognize their efforts towards striving for excellence during their training. They are awarded medals for their performances in academics, physical training, swimming, drill, small arms firing, service subjects, extracurricular activities, prepared of management and organizational skills. Trainees are also assessed for their officer-like qualities. Based on the cumulative assessment of their performance, the Academy determines the recipient of the medals each term. Ladies and gentlemen, you will shortly witness the medal awarding ceremony, followed by the award of the Champion Squadron banner. The reviewing officer will now felicitate the award winners. The President's Gold Medal for the cadet standing first in the overall order of merit is awarded to Midshipman Pradeep Kumar Reddy of the 106th Indian Naval Academy course. The Chief of the Naval Staff Silver Medal is awarded to Midshipman Mohammad Sameer of the 106th Indian Naval Academy course. The Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command Bronze Medal is awarded to Midshipman Rahul Shoran of the 106th Indian Naval Academy course. The Chief of the Naval Staff Gold Medal for the cadet standing first in the overall order of merit is awarded to Cadet Sandhita Patnaik of 37th Naval Orientation Course Extended. The Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command Silver Medal is awarded to Cadet Shaurya Jamwal of 37th Naval Orientation Course Extended.
Hands up! Hands up!
The Commandant, Indian Naval Academy Bronze Medal is awarded to Cadet Saloni Krishna Singh of 37th Naval Orientation Course Extended. The Chief of the Naval Staff Gold Medal for the cadet standing first in the overall order of merit is awarded to Cadet Janvi Singh of 38th Naval Orientation Course Regular.
Hands up!
She has also been conferred with the Zamorin Trophy for the Best All-Round Woman Cadet of the course 38th Naval Orientation Course Regular.
Hands up!
The Commandant, Indian Naval Academy Silver Medal is awarded to Cadet Sahana MK of 38th Naval Orientation Course Regular.
Hands up! Hands up!
The Commandant's Champion Squadron banner for Spring Term 2024 has been won by the Fighter Squadron. The Squadron Cadet Captain Aditya Narayan Singh will now receive the Champion Squadron banner.
Hands up! पारितोषिक प्राप्त करता लाइव बस
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to all the awardees and the Champion Squadron. The primary aim of this institution is to train our cadets in the art of cultivating a way of life, in which the highest and noblest attribute of discipline, character, and courage are not only blended but also nurtured and nourished.